Hey, it's Gigahertz, and we're live in the Dropables studio in Las Vegas. So here's a list of items you need to prepare for your NFT before you get on a call with the Dropables team. Number one, create a MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet. To access and interact with NFTs, you'll need a digital wallet. The two most popular wallets are MetaMask and Coinbase. These wallets allow you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Both wallets are available as browser extensions and mobile apps. Number two, artwork, graphic, or short video. NFTs come in different forms, including artwork graphics and short videos. These are two unique digital assets that are tokenized on the blockchain, making them one of a kind and valuable. They can be bought, sold, and traded just like physical assets. Number three, unlockable content main ideas. When selling an NFT, you'll typically give access to unlockable content as follows: a song in MP3 format, a music video in MP4 format, and exclusive pictures in JPEG format. Want to add bonus content? Here are some bonus content ideas: behind the scenes video or pictures, where you can give access to exclusive behind the scenes footage or pictures from your creative process. FaceTime or live call, where you can give your fans the opportunity to have a one on one conversation with your fans with either FaceTime or live call. And lastly, a personalized thank you for purchasing your NFT. Now, that's a one of a kind experience for your fans. Now, the fourth item on our to-do list, go to dropables.io and connect your wallet. Connecting your wallet is as easy as clicking profile on the top right of your screen and logging into your crypto wallet. Now that the wallet is connected to Dropables, you can now buy, sell, and transfer NFTs on our platform. Number five, set up a collection on Dropables. If you're an artist looking to create your own NFTs, you need to create a collection on our platform, Dropables. To do this, go to Create and select Collection. You'll need to provide details about your collection, including the name and the collection's description of NFTs you'll be including. So be sure to have all these items checked out before your book call. This way, the Dropables team can help you get your NFT up online for sale and streamlined as quickly as possible. Thank you guys for your time, and we look forward to having your NFT up soon.